Right, good morning. I'm going to show you a quick video about how easy it is to make a drum beat in GarageBand using everyday instruments. And it's quite straightforward. I've got everything set up. I've got my microphone. I've got GarageBand set up with the loop of 4 bars here, ready to go. So if it plays round like this, it'll just play round in the circle like that. Perfect. Along with a metronome to help me keep time. Let's stop that, return it back to the beginning, and then I've got my everyday objects, bin, chopsticks, all sorts, to make my drum beat. So, okay, let's go. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, bit of a double beat at the end, but this is only for demonstration purposes, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Okay. That sounds great. For our track 2. Okay, next the Rainmaker. Okay, that's good. Okay, that'll be good. Okay, that sounded good. Final, we'll get some hand claps. There you go, nice and easy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that gets you started well on your own project making a drum beat with everyday instruments. Have fun.